In part 4 of this video, we're going to prepare the income statement section of the worksheet. In order to do the income statement section of the worksheet, you have to recall the accounts that appear on the income statement. Remember, the income statement only has revenues and expenses. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick up the revenues and expenses and put them in the income statement column. We're going to use the numbers from our adjusted trial balance in order to complete this section. So note that my revenues have a credit balance. I'm simply going to credit that amount. I'm then going to pick up all of my expenses. So my salary expense, I'm going to put on the income statement. My rent expense, I'm putting that on the income statement. My utilities expense. So all of my expenses I am picking up and I'm putting them on the income statement. Note that the bottom two accounts are payable accounts. Those are liabilities and they do not belong on the income statement. So now I'm going to sum up the two columns. I'm going to sum up my debit column and my credit column. So I'm going to sum up all of my expenses. And I'm going to pick up or sum up my revenues. I only have one revenue account. What I want you to notice is that my debits do not equal my credits. The difference is going to be my net income. To get my net income, I'm simply going to take my revenues, which is the $139,978 minus my expenses, and that gives me my revenue. When I add my revenue into my equation, so I'm going to add my revenues to the side, to my expense side. So now my debits equal my credits. So I want you to see that once I plug in my net income, that's how I get my debits to equal my credits on my income statement. This number will also come into play on my balance sheet.